Hello guys, welcome to my channel Hard Test Math. Today also I came with one of the very interesting questions. As you can see here, the question is area of rectangle ABCF is 32 meter square. Area of rectangle DEGH is 25 meter square, and the length of rectangle ABDE is 9 meter, and also the length of rectangle CFGH, the length of rectangle CFGH is 8 meter. Then it is asked to find the area of yellow region. So if you would like to give this problem try, just pause the video. Whenever you are ready, keep watching. So let's start to solve the questions. So we have two methods to solve these questions. So the first method. In the first method, I am going to let the breadth of rectangle ABDE as B. Suppose that the breadth of this rectangle, I have let it B. Breadth of these rectangles, I have let it B. And if its breadth is B, then the rectangle CFGH also have the same breadth B. Now it is asked to find the area of yellow region. So to find the area of yellow region, we can subtract the area of rectangles ABCF from this whole rectangle. So to get the area of a yellow region, we can subtract the area of rectangle ABCF from the area of rectangle ABDE. So we can subtract this area of this rectangle from this whole rectangle to get the area of yellow region. So we can find here area of yellow region is equal to area of quadrilateral ABDE minus area of quadrilateral ABCF. So if we do subtract the area of quadrilateral ABCF from the area of quadrilateral ABDE, then we can get the area of yellow region. So area of ABDE. Now let's find the area of ABDE. So if we see the rectangle ABDE, then we can see here its length is 9 meter and its breadth we have let it as B meter. So its area becomes, the area of rectangle ABDE becomes here 9 times B. So its area becomes 9 times B minus area of rectangle ABCF we have here 32. So we can substitute its area here 32. Yes. Now from the right side, if we find the area of yellow region, if we will try to find the area of yellow regions, then we can find its area by subtracting the area of rectangle EDHG from the rectangle CFGH. Means we can find the area of yellow region by subtracting this rectangle from this whole rectangles. Okay, so again we have here area of yellow regions is equal to quadrilateral CFGH minus area of quadrilateral DEGH. So we can find its area by subtracting the area of quadrilateral DEGH from the quadrilateral CFGH. So now we will try to find let's find the area of CFGH. So if we see the rectangle CFGH, then we can see here its length is 8 meter and its breadth is B. So we can have its area as 8b, 8 times b, and then minus area of rectangle DEGH. Area of rectangle DEGH we have here 25. So we'll write here 25. So from the both left side and right side we got the area of yellow regions, but we have only one quadrilateral, no, only one quadrilateral colored by yellow color, colored by yellow color. So we can have their area equal. So we can have here, we can have their area equal, means we will have here, this is also the area of yellow regions and this is also the area of yellow regions. So we can equal them. So now if we equal them, now 9b minus 32 is equal to, it becomes 8b minus 25. Now we will solve this to get the value of b. So 9b, and if we bring this 8b to this side, then we will have minus sign here, minus 8b is equal to, if we bring this 32 to that side, then this will be plus 32, and minus we do have already here minus 25. Now if we subtract 8b from 9b, then we will have here b is equal to, and if we do subtract this 25 from 32, then we will have here 7. So b is equal to, we got here 7, means breadth of these both rectangles becomes here 7 meter. Now we will find the area of yellow regions. So we can find the area of yellow regions by substituting the value of b in either in this or in this. So we can find the area of yellow regions by substituting the value of b either in these conditions or in these conditions, because this both conditions represents the area of yellow regions, as you can see here. So we will substitute its value. Area of yellow region is equal to, we do have two conditions here, so you can substitute the value of b in any conditions. So I am going to substitute its value in the first condition, that is 9b minus 32. So 9 times b means b1 value I got here 7, so 7 minus 32. So 9 7 just 63 minus 32. Now if we do subtract this, then we will have here 6, 3 minus 2 means 1, 6 minus 3 means it's a 3. So 31 meter square is the area of yellow region. So this is the first methods by which we can solve these questions. Now the second methods also I will show you here. Look here, second method. Now if we see these two rectangles A, B, D, E and the rectangle C, F, G, H, then we can see here they have the same breadth, they have equal breadth. So we can find their breadths. So to find the breadth, as we know the formula of area is equal to, we have L times B, means length into breadth. If we need to find the breadth, then breadth is equal to, we do have here A by L, means area by length. So if we divide the area by its length, then we will get the breadth of the rectangles. So from the rectangles A, B, D, E, if you will try to find the breadth of the rectangle ABDE, then a rectangle breadth of, we can have here breadth of rectangle ABDE, that is B, we have let it as B here, as you can see in the questions, and B is equal to area by length. So as you can see, the area of area of rectangle, as you can see in the questions, that the area of rectangle ABDE will be here area of this rectangle plus area of the yellowish rectangles, area of this rectangle plus area of this rectangle. So suppose that its area be y centimeter square or y meter square, just let it that its area be y meter square. Now we can find the area of a rectangle ABDE area of rectangle ABDE will be here 32 plus y, because this rectangle has the area 32 and this rectangle has the area y. So if we add these two rectangles, then it forms a big rectangle, as you can see here, ABDE. So its area becomes 32 plus y, 32 plus y, by its length. The length of rectangle ABDE has the length here 9, so we can divide it by 9. Also, breadth of rectangle CFGH, breadth of rectangle CFGH has also the breadth here B, so we are going to find its breadth. So B is equal to, we have the again same formula here, its area by its length. So as you can see in the questions that its area becomes here CFGH, one area becomes here 25 plus y, because this rectangle has the area 25 and this rectangle has the area y. So the area of this whole rectangle becomes 25 plus y. So 25 plus y and divide by its length. Its length is, as you can see in the questions, that its length is 8. CFGH rectangle 1 length is 8. So we can divide it by 8. And as I have already told you in the beginning, that these both rectangles have equal breadth here. So the breadth of first rectangle, that is ABDE, becomes here this much, and the breadth of rectangle CFGH also we got here this much. And as we know that this both have equal breadth, so we can equal their breadths. So now we can equal their breadth. So 32 plus y divided by 9 is equal to, we can easily have here 25 plus y by 8. Now we do cross multiply here. So 8 times 32 means 8 to the 16 carry 256 plus 8y is equal to 9 into 25. 9 times 25 means 225 plus 9y. Now we need to find the value of y, so we will bring this 8y to that side and we will bring this 225 to this side. So 256 minus 225 is equal to 9y minus 8y. Or if we do subtract this 225 from 256, then we got here 31 is equal to 9y minus 8y, means it's a y. So y is equal to, we got here finally 31. And I have already let in the beginning that the area of yellow rectangles as y meter square. So this is the value of y. So finally this is our final answer. So we can have here that the area of yellow regions is equal to 31 meter square. So this is our final answer. I hope you all guys have enjoyed these videos. If you like the videos, then like it, please comment down below and share it to your friends, and at last please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.